Brent here from American English with this guy, and today we are going to learn some English sayings you can say to yourself or someone else when they have a tough job to do. When they have something to do that's going to be hard, they don't want to do it, but here are a couple of sayings you can say that might give them some encouragement. And right now, there's some work being done on my car. I've made a lesson here before. It was a lesson at a used car lot, but I have an hour to kill, an hour to waste. I have some time on my hands, and I thought, why not record an English lesson? It's on my phone. I hope you don't mind, but if you want to learn some English, I'm ready to teach it. So I came to this quiet spot in the parking lot. I have my notes. I thought, let's talk about some sayings that we use when there's something that's difficult that has to be done. For example, maybe I don't want my notes to go away. The light just went off. I need my notes. Let's say you have a day, and it's going to be a really hard day. Maybe you have a lot of appointments. Maybe you're a boss at your work and you have to fire somebody. You have to let them go. In the morning, one thing you could say is this: it's not for the faint of heart. If something is really tough, you can say it's not for the faint of heart. So this day that I have to do, I don't want to do it. It's not for the faint of heart. Another thing we might say, I've also done an English lesson on a roller coaster. Maybe you go to an amusement park and there's a scary ride. You can say, oh, that ride is not for the faint of heart. If you're afraid of heights, you're not going to like it. Not for the faint of heart. It means it's going to be tough, and you might not like it, but you might just have to do it. Number 2, you got to have a thick skin. You got to have a thick skin. I teach middle school, 12, 13, 14-year-olds. And I'm not sure if you know this, but some of those kids can be mean. They can say some mean things to each other. Luckily, they don't usually say mean things to me. But if someone says something mean to you, you could say, well, you just got to have a thick skin. What we mean by that is if something is difficult, if it's tough, don't let it worry you. Don't bother you. I hope you don't have a boss at work who's really mean. Hopefully they say nice things to you. But if sometimes they say mean things, we might say, well, you got to have a thick skin. Thick skin, don't let it bother you. When things get... What is that? I think the car lot's over there. I don't know if you heard that. I don't know how good the microphone is on my phone here, but they just yelled something out. I hope that didn't interrupt your English learning. But sometimes, hey, when you're filming an English lesson in a parking lot, you got to have a thick skin. Sometimes they can mess you up here. I got to be tough and try to get through this lesson. You need to learn this English, right? Number 3 is brace yourself. Brace yourself. I think it's Game of Thrones that there's a guy, a meme, if I can find the picture, it's like brace yourself. Winter is coming. I think that's it. I'm not a Game of Thrones fan. Are you? Do you like Game of Thrones? If you are, you might know this. And if you watch it in English, it's like brace yourself. When we brace ourselves, it means we have to get ready for something bad that's going to happen. For example, as my arm gets tired from filming this, let's say there's a boxing match. People are hitting each other, some boxers. Well, if somebody knows they're going to get hit, they might brace themselves for the hit, prepare for it, get ready for it. So brace yourself. Maybe you're waking up in the morning and you have that bad day. You might say, I need to brace myself for this difficult day. Get ready. Something bad is coming. You can handle it. Something bad's coming. Brace yourself. as I'm filming this, you might be able to see, the leaves are falling off the trees. I need to brace myself for winter, something that I don't like very much. Speaking of bad things like winter coming, you know what I need to do to get ready for winter? I just need to put my big boy pants on. So I'm a guy, I'm a man. Hopefully you knew that, but I'm a guy. So I would say I need to put my big boy pants on. Pants, one leg at a time. We put our pants on, but you can't put your little kid pants on. You got to put your big boy pants on to get ready for something that's coming that's going to be hard. Well, for me, geez, my hand is shaking. I'm going to try to do this all in one take. Winter's coming. I don't want winter to come. I need to put my big boy pants on. I need to get ready for it. And if you are a female, if you're a lady, if you're a woman, you might say, to get ready for this hard day, to get ready for this hard thing that's coming, I just need to put my big girl pants on to get ready for it. I need to put my big girl pants on, or I'll put my big boy pants on. And the last one, I might have a bonus one, but number 5, buckle up, Buttercup. Buckle up, Buttercup. It rhymes. But if you have that hard day, or maybe you have a child that doesn't want to go to school and they're crying and like, I don't want to go to school. You might say, hey, I know it's going to be hard, but buckle up, Buttercup. A buckle, think of like a seat belt that protects you in a car. Sometimes we call that a buckle as well, the seat belt that goes over your shoulder to protect you if you get into an accident. They're calling more people out there. Buckle up, Buttercup. A buttercup is a type of flower, but I guess we just say that because it rhymes. But if you need to do something that's hard, you might tell yourself, hey, buckle up, Buttercup. I can do this. This day is going to be hard, but I can brace myself. I can get ready for it. One other thing. This is like a bonus, number 6. Number 6 is you just might have to toughen up. Toughen up. I think it's an English phrasal verb, but maybe if someone is having a bad day, they're saying, oh, I can't do it. I can't get through the rest of this day. My boss is so mean. You just got to toughen up. You just got to toughen up. All right. Hope you've enjoyed this English lesson. Hope you've learned a little bit. If you want some more English, right up there, I did an English lesson. I think there's a bug on my forehead. This is my forehead. It keeps getting bigger every day. I'm losing my hair. I'm going bald. But if you want to see more English from this car lot, I did a whole English lesson from this car lot. Thanks for watching. See you next time.